Hi everybody. We have a product in protective coating range named Faircoat. Faircoat is a smooth protective decorative anti-carbonation coating for interior and exterior surfaces with exceptional weathering characteristics. The benefits of using Faircoat are: it has anti-carbonation properties and good weathering properties. It has excellent bond with concrete substrate. It forms flexible film with gap bridging properties. It allows the substrate to breathe. It is in single pack and can be applied with brush. Faircoat has excellent waterproof coating and is non-flammable and non-toxic. Faircoat is economical. Faircoat provides a smooth, decorative, durable coating for concrete and masonry surfaces like big commercial buildings, public places, residential buildings, etc. Faircoat is a ready-to-use aliphatic elastomeric based coating containing special polymers and fillers. Faircoat provides extremely tough protective decorative coating that allows the surface to breathe. Faircoat has been specially designed for the decoration and protection of concrete against attack from atmospheric carbon dioxide, airborne chlorides, acid rain, weathering, etc. Faircoat is non-flammable and hence it can be used in interiors also. Faircoat has excellent adhesion to the substrate and cures to form a flexible film that allows the surface to breathe and acts as a carbon dioxide barrier, thus protecting the concrete in aggressive weather conditions. It has excellent gap bridging ability and does not age with time. It also forms an extremely durable film. Application of Faircoat is as under. On old or porous surfaces, ensure that the substrate is sound and dilute 2 parts of Faircoat to 1 part of water and prime the surface. When it is tacky or touch dry, say after 1.5 to 3 hours, apply Faircoat on the primed surface. Stir the material in the container thoroughly and spread evenly with a brush, roller or airless spray. Avoid the application in rainy weather. In hot or dry weather, dampen the unpainted surfaces with water to prevent Faircoat drying out too rapidly. The surface texture and porosity must be taken into account while estimating quantities. Faircoat is supplied in 1, 5 and 20 kg buckets. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.